So let's take a look at the final batch of social engineering techniques, and we have impersonation, where the social engineer could use stolen credentials to infiltrate a network. But impersonation could also mean simply impersonating somebody else. It could mean impersonating the CEO of a company. It could mean impersonating a third-party contractor, and so on. Now, in the technical terms, the impersonation would be something like a man-in-middle attack, where you might have victim A and victim B. They're trying to have a normal communication, but then the attacker, with the use of a man-in-middle attack, is able to intercept their communication and instead sends spoofed communication to both victims. We also have credential harvesting, where the social engineer might use phishing emails and spamming campaigns to gather information which can then be sold. Now, this typically would involve the use of software, programs, scripts, and malware. We also have farming. Now, this basically redirects victims to a malicious website using the DNS cache poisoning. We're going to talk about DNS cache quite a lot later on in this course. But the whole idea here is that a victim may want to go to one particular website, but the attacker is able to redirect them to another website where they can then steal the credentials or infect the computer with malware, and so on. We also have the watering hole attack. Now, this is an attack that aims to compromise a specific group of end users by infecting existing websites or creating a new one that will attract them. So this kind of attack focuses on a specific group of users. It could be users belonging to a particular group on Facebook. It could be the users or employees of a particular company, things like that. But the whole point here is that this attack will target them specifically and will try to lure them into an existing website with which they can then have their systems be infected with malware. And then we have the typo squatting or the URL hijacking. Now here, hackers, they can register misspelled domain names of popular websites hoping to capture sensitive information. So you can see right down there, you have the factbook.com. It's not Facebook, it's missing the E. Or you can even have instagram.com. And the thing is that many times the victims, they may not pay close attention. Once they see Insta and then with the G, they think, oh, automatically it's Instagram. They go in there and then they log in. And the thing about these kinds of websites is that even though they're fake, they will have the exact same kind of the login interface. It will look exactly like either Facebook or Instagram or the website that they're trying to impersonate. So that's typo squirting, URL hijacking. And the last one here is the influence campaigns. Now, this is usually a major program launched by an adversary with a high level of capability, such as a nation-state actor or maybe even a terrorist group. The whole point here is to shift public opinion on some topic, and when deployed, along with espionage or disinformation, fake news, and hacking, it can be characterized as hybrid warfare. We also, in the elections between Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton, the Democrats, they claim that, that Russia influenced the election, even though I don't think there's ever been any real concrete evidence to suggest that. But the whole point here is that these kinds of campaigns, these influence campaigns, are used heavily in politics and social campaigns and so on. That's it. Thank you for watching. And of course, I will see you in the next class.